Hello and welcome to another episode of Learning How to Automate with Zenphi in under 3 minutes. Today we're going to be going over a very simple flow showcasing two of our new actions, which can list mobile devices that a user has connected to, as well as being able to delete these devices. This is a great couple of steps that you can add to your existing offboarding flow to make sure that all users who are being offboarded also have revoked access to these mobile devices that have been connected previously to their account. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to set up a form. Here you can use your offboarding flow since this is a very simple example. The only question that we have on the form is to indicate an email address. So all that we would need is the user's email. And the first action we're going to be using is this one called List Mobile Devices. This is going to be able to return all the different devices, their resource ID, device ID, when it was last synced, the model, OS, the type of device, etc. However, here you are going to need a Google Workspace admin connection. And then all you have to do is indicate the user's email. So you can use a token picker and choose it from the trigger here since it's one of our questions. Since they might have more than one device, we want to make sure we put it in a for each loop. So for the for each loop, we're going to choose the collection coming from the devices. So it'd be this one right here. We're going to add this token. And then last but not least, we want to go ahead and delete each one of these devices. So again, this action is called Delete Mobile Device. You're going to need a Google Workspace admin connection. Once again, we're going to indicate the email here from our trigger. However, here in Resource ID, which is a mandatory field, we're going to use a token picker and retrieve it from our for each loop. You'll see it as a suggestion. And then all you would have to do is publish and fill out the form with an email, and you'd be able to delete all of the devices the user that you indicated has connected to. Make sure to check out the rest of the playlist so that you can learn other ways that you can automate with Zenphi in under 3 minutes.